Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of oil into it. You can skip adding butter and add 2 tablespoons of oil instead. Once it heats, add a teaspoon of ginger and a tablespoon of garlic that is minced, then add 4 spring onion bulbs that are chopped. Saute this for half a minute. Then add a cup of chopped spring onion greens. Saute this well and let it cook. Make sure to stir it in regular intervals to prevent it from burning. After about 5 minutes, add 3 cups of cooked rice. Then add some salt as per your taste, a tablespoon of red chilli flakes, and 3/4 tablespoons of mixed herbs or oregano. Mix it well but gently. Then add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well one last time and garnish with spring onion greens and serve hot. It tastes better with ketchup. Enjoy!